Alright, how we doing today? This is PJ here. I've got some work to do on my flip house, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to frame a wall up and put it up. And it's just a straight wall. There's nothing special about it, no doors, no windows, nothing. It's an interior wall. Just going to show you a little bit about what I did already, some prep work, so that won't be a bunch of time wasted on that part of it. So let's get to it. Here I've got, this is where the wall is going to go. It's going to run right about here. So it'll attach up there, here, and then down there at the bottom. Those are already secured in. Need something to attach that to. And then at the top here, I got these cross members. This board and that board there. I'll nail down through the top of those into the wall, and then of course it'll come right to here. It's 156 inches long. I'm going to lay it out down here on this floor right here, and it's a little bit difficult because these walls, they're not straight. This is an old house. The walls are not straight. There's nails in them. There's stuff sticking out everywhere, all over the place. I've got this is my top and one of my top and my bottom plates. And I've got some of the marks already on them. I marked it out to 8 feet. I'm going to finish marking it on video. And then I'll have to cut my boards. I didn't cut them yet. They're over there on that table. And I'll be using that there nail gun. So, let me set my camera up and we'll get to it. Alright. Take here. I already know how long my board's got to be for my walls. They're going to be 90 inches. I'm going to have 2 top plates and then 1 bottom plate. I'll put my top plate up after I get the wall up. This thing, they're kind of a pain anyway to do. Get them stood up in here and everything like that. So these, when you measure this out, your tape measure's got, it's all set up. There's 16 inches on the center for the wall. Right here's 80, and then there's 96 right here is 8 feet, 96 inches. And you go an inch and a half on either side of 96. So then your stud will sit in between there, in between your 2 sidelines. And hopefully you can hear me. I ain't got no microphone. Because I'm just starting my YouTube channel. Actually just starting to make videos regularly. As you can see from the looks of the house here, there's all kinds of work to be done, and I should have a bunch of videos on it, huh? I'm just going to mark these and lay them out. Final step, this wall right here, and I've got another little header over there to finish that I started already. And I've got a header to finish up. Once I get it done, the framing is going to all be done and finished, and we'll be ready for electric, plumbing, and HVAC. Okay, so I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11 boards. 11 boards at 90 inches. Full stack of nails in there. Oh man, I don't know. Maybe I'm going to leave the two end boards off. I'm just going to run the inside ones so that I don't run. Over there's the problem. I got a ledge sitting out the window there, stuff in the way. I can put that board up last after I get the wall up. So I'm going to cut my boards and then I'm going to stack them in there. Started cutting them. My circular saw is the blade is really dull, and it's actually to the point where I think it's a little dangerous to be using it. So I got my compound miter saw in here and using it. A little better anyway. Took me 5 minutes to get it in here, get it set up. the bottom, pretty much where you be. Now what I'm going to do is you just want to so I'm going to top, move the sides, pins, to the left, head on the ball there. So,